Maruti Suzuki approves 4,960 crore rupee land acquisition for capacity expansion. Maruti Suzuki India Limited has announced a major strategic development that highlights its long-term growth focus. The company has informed exchanges that its board has approved the acquisition of land at Khoraj Industrial Estate from the Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation. This land acquisition is aimed at supporting future expansion of the company's production capacity. To understand the importance of this decision, it is essential to first look at Maruti Suzuki's current manufacturing setup. The company currently has an installed capacity of around 24 lakh units per annum across its manufacturing facilities located in Gurugram, Manesar, Kharkhoda, and Hansalpur. Additionally, it has the capability to produce up to 26 lakh units annually, including production from the erstwhile Suzuki Motor Gujarat Private Limited, which has since been amalgamated with Maruti Suzuki. A key point highlighted by the company is that its existing capacity is fully utilized. Full utilization indicates strong demand for Maruti Suzuki's vehicles in both domestic and export markets. It also signals that without additional capacity, future growth could be constrained, making timely expansion a strategic necessity. The proposed capacity addition is up to 1 million units. While the exact timeline and phased installation plan are yet to be finalized, the company has stated that these details will be approved by the board while framing the phases of capacity installation. This phased approach allows flexibility and helps align capacity creation with demand growth. Another crucial aspect of this announcement is the scale of investment involved. The board has approved a cost of 4,960 crore rupee towards land acquisition, development, and preparatory activities. This is a significant capital commitment and reflects Maruti Suzuki's confidence in sustained long-term demand growth. The mode of financing for this expansion will be a combination of internal accruals and external borrowings. This balanced funding approach helps the company maintain financial flexibility while continuing to invest in growth. Investors will closely monitor how this capex impacts cash flows and return ratios over time. The stated rationale for the capacity expansion is growth in market demand, including exports. India's passenger vehicle market continues to expand, and Maruti Suzuki remains a dominant player. In addition, exports have become an increasingly important growth driver, making capacity expansion essential to support both domestic and international demand. From an investor perspective, capacity expansion announcements are typically long-term positive indicators. While such investments may not yield immediate revenue benefits, they strengthen the company's ability to grow volumes, defend market share, and support new product launches over the coming years. It is also worth noting that capacity expansion decisions are taken after careful demand assessment. Approving land acquisition well in advance helps avoid future bottlenecks and ensures smoother execution when production expansion begins. However, investors should also be aware that large capex plans come with execution and cost risks. Timely project completion, cost control, and demand realization will be key factors in determining the success of this expansion. In the broader context of the auto sector, Maruti Suzuki's move reflects confidence in India's long-term automobile growth story. Rising incomes, improving infrastructure, and export opportunities continue to support demand for passenger vehicles. In summary, the board's approval to acquire land for capacity expansion is a strategic and forward-looking step by Maruti Suzuki. With existing capacity fully utilized and demand growth visibility improving, this decision strengthens the company's long-term growth roadmap. While the financial impact will unfold over time, the announcement reinforces Maruti Suzuki's commitment to maintaining leadership in the Indian automobile market.